The staff is the fundamental weapon of Chinese martial arts, being used in Kung Fu for centuries, and continuing into today with the standardized wushu.
You may be wondering why the staff is a go-to weapon and not the sword or the similarly shaped spear. Well, that is something we're going to be looking at today, as well as showcase the applications of this weapon and just why it has lingered for so long. I'm Shifu Payne, and welcome to Laptop Dojo. Let us answer the question of why the staff is so fundamental a weapon to Chinese martial arts. And to do this, we need to go back to the originators of Chinese martial arts, or one of them anyway, with the Shaolin monks.
The monks of Shaolin, while learning to fight and defend the temple, were still Buddhist monks, who swore to never take a life as all life is sacred. And so we have the staff, a weapon made traditionally from an easily accessible resource such as bamboo, made with no points or sharp edges, made with the express purpose to defend, but not kill or fatally wound.
But what are just some of the movements and techniques of the staff? Let's take a look today and find out, as we take a look at a form which emphasizes both balance and power, as we take a look at the 36 star form. Through some applications of the form. And so that is the 36 stance form. Thank you for watching this week's video. Next time we'll be taking a look at another weapon of Chinese martial arts as we take a look at the Dao sword. But until then, thank you all for watching this week's video, and until next time everyone, peace be with you.